Hi class. So today we're going to begin talking about how you should be looking at Miss Peregrine's House of Peculiar Children. So we've already studied the plot and characters and setting and things like that, but now we're going to look deeper into the novel that we're reading. For example, we're going to look at how the author formatted the novel and why she chose to include the text that she did choose to include. So we are going to watch a quick video about formalist criticism, and then we're going to come back and debrief a little bit about it. So I hope you enjoy.
Hi, today we're going to talk about literary theory, the new criticism or formalism. So, what is new criticism? But before that, let me ask you, how would you want people to judge you? Based on what they've previously heard about you or your words and actions as you interact with them? Most people would want to be judged of their own words and actions. Even though our histories and reputations are important, there is a reason why we hear again and again not to judge a book by its cover. According to new criticism, we should judge book the same way. We should evaluate it based only on the text itself. No need to read hundreds of pages of history or dig up evidence of Shakespeare's love life. In fact, forget about when and where the author lived, and whether the author was rich or poor, man or woman. In focusing on the text itself, new critics intentionally ignore the author and the reader. According to the intentional fallacy, it's impossible to determine an author's reasons for writing a text without directly asking him or her. And even if we did determine the author's intentions, they don't matter, because the text itself carries its own value. So even if we're reading a book by a known author like Shakespeare, we shouldn't let the author's reputation taint our evaluation of the text. Similarly, the affective fallacy claims that we shouldn't waste time thinking about the effect on text may have on the reader, because then we're polluting the text with our own personal baggage. So we should ignore how beautiful a poem may be or our reactions on an emotional novel, because if we give in to our emotional reactions, we're less able to evaluate the text objectively. Prior to the 1920s, literary criticism took a largely historical slant. To understand a text, critics often look to its historical background and the history of the language using the text. But in 1929, a literary critic at Cambridge by the name of Ivor Armstrong Richards published Practical Criticism. His book reported on an experiment that involved people reading and responding to poems without knowing the authors were. Richard was interested in why people respond to his poems the way they did. In 1939, Richard began teaching at Harvard and influenced a new American literary theory. 2 years later, John Crow Ransom, an English professor at Kenyon College, published New Criticism. The new book's title was applied to this young method of examining texts. New criticism went on to become a popular method of literary analysis throughout the middle of the 20th century.
Welcome back class. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and were able to understand a little more about formalist criticism as the video showed, and how we will further discuss in class that with formalist criticism we really focus on the text and the word that the author chooses to input in her or his novel, and how that impacts our experience while reading it. So because of that, for attendance, I want you guys to think about your experience reading Miss Peregrine's Home of Peculiar Children and to think about the words that were used and how she formatted, the author formatted the text, the dialogue, the description, the vivid imagery. How did that text impact your experience reading it? Additionally, I want you to think about how the text impacted your experience. For example, did words make it creepy, eerie, happy, sad? Anything that you felt, include in your blog. Um, and that is it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in class tomorrow.